Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply for a credit card on Bank of America. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search www.bankofamerica.com on your search bar. This way, you'll directly land on Bank of America's website. On the home page, there you'll see the option of credit cards. Tap on it. There you'll see various credit card options. Select the one according to your preference and then tap on Apply Now. If you're already a customer of Bank of America online, then tap on Sign In and save time, or else you'll have to fill in the application. You'll have to enter your first name, last name, suffix, residential address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, and then select whether you are a US citizen or not and whether you have a dual citizenship or not. Select your country of residence and enter your date of birth. Select your employment status, total annual income, primary source of income, and monthly housing payment. Tap on the square box if you want to transfer a balance to your new credit card and you want to add a card holder. Read all the terms and conditions, and if you agree with it, tap on the square box and then tap on Save and Continue. After you tap on it, you'll be able to apply for credit card. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.